Hey gardeners, have you ever thought about adding a splash of beauty to your garden with something both functional and decorative? Let me introduce you to the star of the show, flowering oregano. First things first, flowering oregano isn't just any herb. It's a vibrant addition to your garden that brings a burst of tiny, delicate flowers. Think pinks, purples, and whites that not only look stunning, but attract bees and butterflies too. Now let's talk about versatility. This herb isn't just pretty, it's incredibly useful. The white oregano leaves are perfect for culinary dishes, adding a unique flavor that's hard to beat. Imagine snipping fresh oregano right from your garden to add to your favorite recipes. Yum! Flowering oregano also makes an excellent ground cover. Its lush, spreading nature can fill in gaps and create a beautiful, cohesive look. Plus, it's super low maintenance. Water it regularly, give it some sun, and you're good to go. And guess what? It's not just for summer. Oregano is a perennial, meaning it'll come back year after year, giving you continuous beauty and functionality. So, if you're looking to elevate your garden game, flowering oregano is a must-have. Its combination of decorative appeal and practical use makes it a winner in my book. Get planting, enjoy the blooms, and reap the benefits of this incredible herb. Happy gardening. Until next time, keep those thumbs green.